CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. I have another surprise for you. In this episode, I'm going to be giving you an in-depth review of another brand new meme coin that is just launched. And together, we can decide if it has the potential to take off and make us all long-term profits. Now, before we get into that, we have to go back to call because just since last night, it's up another 27%. Okay, which means in the last 2 days it's up over 75%, which means that many of you who found out about it from watching our videos and buying it in the last couple of days, you've already more than doubled your money, which is phenomenal. Look at this. In the last week, up over close to 800%. Are you serious? This is life-changing money. This is not a joke. This is why we do this. Do you understand? Where else can you go and gain valuable knowledge to make this kind of money in life? Where? That's what I thought. Okay. And just know that we're just getting started. Okay. And we respect loyalty above everything else. Now look here. As you can see, its market cap is currently 98 million. All right. And that's after a lot of people taking profits. I'm over in the left hand corner right now. 98 million market cap, up from 73 just 24 hours ago. And this is serious gains. And this is what a lot of people selling at the same time that people are buying. All right. It's not just all buys. It's just phenomenal. Our relationship is two ways. I teach you guys how to make money in this space. And in return, you contribute back to the channel with money. Because at the end of the day, money is what? It's energy. My knowledge, my experience, my personal, everything goes into this. And then you contribute back and we have something. Now, into the CROB coin. Just came out. We're going to get all into it. All right. Now, this video is brought to you by BitFi. BitFi is, in fact, the fastest growing crypto exchange in the entire world. One of the reasons why we are partners with BitFi is because, for one, we can get crypto that we cannot get on Coinbase or Crypto.com. Period. That's number one. Number two, when you sign up using our link, you're going to get $200 in USDT when you make your first deposit. Number three, when you sign up using our link, you're also going to get $2,800 in rewards that you can use to reinvest, cash out, whatever the case might be. Getting your first coin in 30 seconds. All right. Now, why would you choose them? Number one, they're already in over 150 countries, the United States, Canada, and rated one of the top crypto exchanges on Forbes. You can trade anywhere. The app is downloadable on the Apple Store, Google Pay, Windows, and the Mac operating system. And don't forget, you get your $200 right off the bat. And on top of that, by using our link, you're going to save 10% on every transaction. Now, this is the CROB Mob's official website. I'm going to link it in the description. As you can see here, it says, "We are the CROB Mob." Big Don CROB makes an offer that no crustacean can refuse. He controls the flow of CROB across the 7 seas. Tokenomics, 40% pre-sale allocation, 40%. And down here, let's go further. Big Don CROB offer, a delectable offering, 40% of our total supply. Now this, the pre-sale was April the 2nd, so it was a few weeks ago. All right, that's come and gone, but I wanted to show you all this. Total supply, because this is their official site. And again, I will have it linked in the description. All right. Minimum investment was 200 crores, so that's less than $100. Anyway, crypto.com. This was published on April 11th, and it says they list CROB, purchase CROB early with USD, euros, and 20 other fiat currencies. It's now listed in the Crypto.com app, joining the growing list of 250 plus supported cryptocurrencies and stable coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, and others. CROB is a meme coin on the Cronos blockchain. All right, we know that. Okay, now what else do I want to show you? Wait a minute. Is there anything else here? No, actually, that is it, I think. Yeah. All right. Now this here is BTCC website, and this is published on the 18th of April by C. Florina, and it says, what is CROB Mob? Everything you need to know. Within the cryptocurrency realm, CROB Mob is a new meme token concept based on the native Cronos blockchain of Crypto.com. It has a crab theme. The token's mascot, Big Don Crab, is shown as a Don Corleone as a crab. Okay. The term CROB Mob, which refers to a volunteer group that gathers to perform agricultural work, is most likely the new source of the project's name. All right. Let's go down here a little further. About CROB Coin, it just tells you the maximum token supply is 1 billion. Okay, and 80% are currently in investor hands, which is what it says right here. Let me see what else does it say here. Short supply. What did I just say? 80% are in investor hands already, so that means 20% available to the rest of us. That's nice, huh? Let's go down here a little further. The price history, we don't really care about that right now. I mean, it's so new. It's not even 3 months old. April the 2nd, the pre-sale. It's not even a month old, 28 days old as of right now. Price prediction, we don't care about that. How can I buy it? I know how to buy it. You can buy it on Cronos, and you can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it several places. I'll link that in the description as well. Now here's the actual token. As you can see today, Tuesday, April the 30th. It's currently 3.2 cents per CROB token, and its market cap is just over 28 million right now. Not bad for not being a month old, huh? You can see it's down just over 8% from launch. And I'm in the left-hand column, guys. Total supply of tokens and the maximum supply. That's what we're looking at. Now I'm going to go over here in the middle. You look here over the last week, it's down 19%. All time down 32% from the time it launched. You can see they said it was 5 cents. There it is right there. And then it's just been a sell-off since, which is not uncommon. Okay, not at all. But I want to show you something else. Back to call. I want to show you because they're both released on the Cronos blockchain. Okay, now look here. If we go back and we look at when the call token launched, and prior to less than a week ago, it was straddling or sloshing back and forth, as you can see here. And then all of a sudden it took off. Could that be the case with CROB? We'll see, but it'd be very interesting to find out. Now, if this video has been of value to you and you want to contribute back to the channel, the best way to do so is financially, since this is a money channel and we're teaching you how to make money. Now, you can do so with USDC. Send it to our address, which is in the description, and also USDT, digital dollars. All right. And it does make a difference and it's greatly appreciated. Also, make sure that you use our link to set up your own BitFi account and claim the money. Until next time.